Hi, I'm Dylan Kennedy, a senior recruiter with AcctPositions. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our finance and accounting team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have an incredible opportunity for financial analysts. Responsibilities include performing financial forecasting and operational metrics tracking, analyzing financial data and creating financial models for decision support, and identifying and driving process improvements. If you have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or economics, 4 or more years of accounting, finance, or other relevant experience, high proficiency in financial modeling techniques, strong fluency with Excel formulas, and strong analytical and data gathering skills, you could be a great fit for this role.
We're aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon and looking forward to meeting you.